The 9 days of Navratri end और उसके बाद on the 10th day आता है दशहरा और विजयदशमी, and this day is not ordinary. The day of Dussehra is considered extremely lucky for new beginnings. While the celebration varies from region to region in India, here are a few things considered to bring good luck on Dussehra. Number 1 is purchasing new things. Dussehra is considered to be the day of new beginnings. कहा जाता है कि if you buy new things, they will be extremely lucky for you and give you good results. So if you are planning to buy something new, do it on this day. You can buy new clothes, any electronics, a vehicle, gold or even home. Purchasing on this auspicious day is considered to bring good results. Number 2 is starting a new venture. It is said whatever we begin this day sees great success. So if you are planning to apply for a new job, enroll for a course or start a new venture, doing it on the day of Dussehra is considered to be extremely lucky for new beginnings. Number 3 is eating auspicious food. Now I am coming to one of the yummiest ways to make you luckier. There are certain set of foods in different regions of India consuming which is considered lucky on this day. In the western belt of India, especially in Gujarat, the combination of jalebi and fafda is considered auspicious to have on Dussehra. While in part of North India, having a combination of poha and sweet curd or a bowl of kheer is considered to be lucky. While in South India's Karnataka, sweet dosa is had during this day and rasgulla in West Bengal. Well, I am sure you can definitely choose your lucky here. Number 4 is sighting a Nilkant bird. Leave aside the Nilkant bird, sighting a sparrow itself is becoming quite rare in the cities. But if you happen to see a Nilkant bird or the Indian roller bird or blue jay on Dussehra, it is considered extremely auspicious, and this has its root in the Ramayana. It is believed that Lord Rama spotted the bird before starting his journey to Lanka to kill Ravana, and so sighting of this bird on Dussehra is considered to be extremely lucky. 5th is eating a betel leaf. In states of UP and Bihar, eating a betel leaf or pan on this day is considered to be extremely lucky. They also offer the betel leaf to Lord Hanuman on this day, who played a major role in killing the Ravana, as a mark of respect and honor. Scientifically too, this makes sense because in this changing weather, betel leaves keep the immune system intact. Number 6 is sighting a fish. Seeing a floating fish on this day is considered to open the doors of luck. Fish is considered to be an extremely auspicious being, and it is known to make a way for new life. You might think now, what if you visit one of those aquariums? Well, this is considered to hold only good if you sight a free floating fish in water and not a captive one. The festival of truth, dharma and karma comes once in a year, signifying the victory of good over evil and marks new beginnings. So manifest the power of your good intentions and make sure you make this day count. So what tradition is associated with Dussehra at your home? Do let me know in the comment section. Until then, have a lucky Vijayadashmi.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.